Hi everyone, this is HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w. In this video I will show you how to copy your documents using this multifunctional printer. To copy documents you don't need to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi via USB or in any other way. You just need to make sure you have working cartridge inside and some paper in the paper tray. First, you need to correctly place your document in the scanning unit. So open the scanning unit lid and put your document facing down, and the top left corner must be aligned with the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have a paper sheet icon here, so you need to align top left corner to it. So like this, and the edges of your paper sheet must touch the edges of the scanning surface. Also, you have paper size markers over here and on this size as well. So if you wish to scan smaller document and print it on A4 paper, you can just align it using the paper size markers as guidelines. And that's pretty it. So place your document and close the scanning lid. Next, make sure your printer is powered on, the power LED is glowing green, and if the screen is sleeping, wake up the screen, press any button to do this. And now press the scanning settings button, just once. This icon means contrast. You can increase or decrease your copy contrast using these arrows. Press it one more time. This is scale. You can set the value from 0.3 to 4 and multiply it by 100, it means persons. Now press it once again and set number of copies you need to make, and then just press green copy button. Now the printer started making sounds, it means it's working. And here is our result, that's pretty it. Also, this printer has a special button for copying ID cards. This mode has no settings, it just makes your image sharper and reduces glare. So if black and white ID copy is good for you, use this button to copy your ID cards. And that's it, copying is so simple. If this video was helpful for you, support our channel with your like and subscription. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome guys. Have a nice day, goodbye.